Hoi An, Vietnam, is a picturesque town that harkens back to a time when trading between Asia and Europe was at its height. Hoi An was known as one of the most important trading ports in the 16th and 17th centuries, and today Hoi An maintains its rustic charm. Classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its exceptional architecture. There are many tours available from Hoi An to explore the local culture, history and beautiful surroundings. Some of the tours are: Hoi An Old Town Walking Tour will take you through the historic and picturesque streets of the Old Town, where you will visit ancient buildings and temples, see the famous Japanese covered bridge, and learn about the town's rich history and culture. Hoi An Cooking Class. You will learn how to cook traditional Vietnamese dishes using fresh, local ingredients. My Sun Sanctuary is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a complex of ancient Hindu temples that date back to the 4th century. You will learn about the Cham people and their unique architecture, which blends Hindu and indigenous influences. Hoi An Countryside Cycling Tour gets you off the beaten path and explore the peaceful countryside of Hoi An by bike. You will ride through rice paddies, visit local villages, and learn about the daily life of rural Vietnamese people. Take a boat to the beautiful Cham Island to explore the beautiful sea surrounding the island. Snorkel in the crystal clear waters and see colorful coral and marine life. The easiest way to get to Hoi An is by taking a flight to Da Nang International Airport, located about 30 kilometers from the town. You can also take the train from almost anywhere in South or North Vietnam. Hoi An is beautiful and charming and highly recommended to visit if you are in central Vietnam.